Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Flickr app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Click on Flickr. We will go through this step in this video. Go on Flickr developer link. On Flickr developer page, we need to request an API key. Next you will get option to apply for a chimerical key. On next page we need to give information for app detail. What organization is your app for? App name. What are you building application? Scroll down. Select API needs for you. Other information you need to select as per your requirement. Check Agree to Flickr API Terms of Use. Click on Submit. Now go to Edit App Details. Go to Edit option in corner. Give app description. For callback URL, go to Instruction. Copy callback URL and paste it in callback URL. Save changes. Next click on View option in below corner. Copy key form Flickr app. Paste it in app ID. Copy secret key and paste it in app secret. Now save it and click on Test Configuration. Authorize your Flickr app. User attribute of Flickr will get display here. Go to Flickr icon. Here is the option to enable and disable Flickr custom app. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Flickr icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Flickr attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.